Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Mind Catchers channel. Today I have some new hair to share with you guys. This package just came to me today. This is from Luhair, and here is the box. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna open that up. Oh, stuff is falling out, guys. That was one of their cards. They gave me 2 wig caps are inside of there. Oh, they gave me an edge comb and brush. And they also gave me a nice little pouch to keep my hair in. Isn't this cute? Nice. And I believe I'm going to be reviewing a bob. It's been a while since I did a review on some natural hair, so this is going to be interesting. Here it is right here. It's a curly bob. It says it's a lace front wig. It's 14 inches. The density is 150 and the color is a natural. Okay, so they have it in their netting here. So this is definitely different for me. And I believe this cap is a medium, they told me. We have 2 combs over here to the sides of the crown, and we have a large comb in the back. I'm gonna flip it inside out so you guys can see. This is my first time seeing the band already in the wig like this. So that is awesome. Like I told you guys, it's been a very long time since I reviewed a natural hair wig. So this is going to be exciting. They have it where I can attach it or take it loose. Nice and stretchy. So I cannot wait to play with her. I see that she has lots of parting space. So this will be fun. So I'm going to give her a nice co-wash or wash, and I'm going to be back to show you guys the wig application. Okay guys, here we are with the wig on, and pretty much its normal state. It is a curly unit, and I did apply a little bit of water to it, and it looks like my natural hair, like kind of blown out and wet at the same time. It's my natural length, so I'm really liking that. What I was using in the hair before was just a mousse, and it made things look a little shiny. I went into the bathroom, I combed her all the way out, and she has lots of body. She gets bigger and bigger. It was a tiny bit of shedding, but I think that she's a very lovely unit. Look at her from the side. It's lots of length, lots of thickness. It's very full. You can't see through it. So I think I'm going to play around with this baby hair a little bit more. I'm going to throw on some makeup and I'm going to come back and show you what she's looking like. All right, guys, and this is what my wig looks like with a nice pretty look. This is so cute. Very, very cute. And I fooled several family members. They really believe that this is my hair and I am digging it. But right now, ladies, this curly look is the way to go because it's no fuss. I mean, like, I'm just throwing a little mousse in there, popping the curls. The mousse is kind of setting the curls in place and I'm out the door. I have my little hats and stuff like that, my visors, because it's kind of hot, but this is kind of, it's lightweight and it's not too thick. It's not thick at all. I can feel the wind through it. I can feel the air conditioner, you know, going through the hair. So it's not hot at all. And I swore off wigs this entire summer, but this I can rock with. So thank you so much, Luhair. I'm gonna come back and straighten this wig out because I really want to see what it looks like straightened. I haven't had my own hair straightened in a very long time, so I'm curious. I'm super excited. Can you tell I'm excited? I'm excited about this hair. So I'm gonna leave all of the information down below and you guys check out Luhair. I'm sold on it. Thank you. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Cyber kisses. Bye.